How to fix Instagram keeps asking for birthday. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Now from the home screen, tap on your profile icon here on the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the three lines icon here on the upper right corner. Now tap on the settings option and from here, choose account and then proceed to personal information. In here, you will see your email, phone number, gender, and the date of birth. Now click on the birthday and change this to the correct date of your birth. After this, just confirm it and Instagram will no longer ask you for your birthday. Just take note that you cannot avoid this since on the new update, they require the birth date of users to avoid children from using the application. So Instagram has restricted children 13 years old and below from using their application. So that is how to fix Instagram keeps asking for your birthday. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.